Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to find Zener regulation voltage. This is the symbol of Zener diode. From VI characteristic, the Zener diode works as normal PN junction diode in forward bias and as voltage regulator in reverse bias due to Zener breakdown. We can have Zener diodes with different Zener regulation voltage and power ratings. Some common regulation voltage and power ratings are shown here. We can find Zener regulation voltage in three ways. First one is by looking value directly printed on its body. Second one is by taking the diode reference number printed on its body and searching the datasheet. And third one is by the use of voltage regulator circuit. So let us see the circuit. So this is our Zener diode. The ring side terminal is cathode and other terminal is anode. Its value is printed on its body. It is 5V1, that means it is 5.1 volt Zener diode. Both the diodes are 5.1 volt Zener diode. This is 1 kilo ohm resistor. I have connected two 9 volt battery in series using battery connector and shorted its both the terminal. That means I connect the battery in series and now it is providing me 18 volt. You can take 3 battery also if you want to test a Zener diode voltage above 18 volt, 20 volt, then you need a third battery also in series. First I am connecting this 1K resistor here. Then I will connect multimeter probes here. So this red probe I am connecting here and this black probe I will connect here. The battery is also connected here. The negative terminal is connected to the multimeter negative and Zener diode and positive terminal is connected to the resistor. So I am taking wires, this red wire to 1K and this gray wire here. Now I will connect this gray wire to the negative side of the battery using clip and this red wire on the positive terminal of the battery. Now place multimeter in DC 20 volt range and the voltage which it is showing is battery voltage since I have connected two batteries in series. Now I will connect the Zener diode here. As I connect Zener diode, anode terminal on the ground side and cathode upper side, as we connect Zener diode in reverse bias, it should show, the meter should show the reading of Zener voltage. So it is showing 5.17. Since I told that the Zener diode is 5.1 volt and it is also proved here that it is 5.1 volt Zener diode. Similarly, we can test another voltage Zener diode also. You have to just, what you have to do is just replace the diode with another diode. Now since I have all the diode of 5.1 volt, so I am connecting these two diodes in series because Zener diode voltage add up in series. So here we are getting a reading of 10.3 volt, that is 5.1 volt, and 5.1 volt, that is 10.2. It is showing 10.3 volt. Similarly, in this way we can test all other Zener diode. So let me know in the comment box you test all other values of the Zener diode and comment in the comment box what values you get, and keep watching and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.